Okay, today we are discussing about one of the most important node reaction. It is important in IIT, JAM, NEET, MSET, CUSET, all other competitive exams. That is aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. In aldol condensation reaction, some few important points are: first one, it is applicable for carbonyl compounds containing alpha hydrogens. It is applicable for carbonyl compounds containing alpha hydrogens. It is suitable for aldehydes. It is suitable for aldehydes and some ketones, but must and should have a carbonyl compounds containing alpha hydrogen. This reaction undergoes in presence of dilute alkali media. Dilute alkali media means dilute NaOH, dilute KOH, dilute BaOH taken twice, like bases. Next, aldehydes require at least one alpha hydrogen. So, any carbonyl compound doesn't have a alpha hydrogen. It does not involved in aldol condensation reaction. Here the formation of a product is beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde is the product, also known as a aldol. Aldol nothing but aldehyde plus alcohol is known as a aldol. Next, definition. When aldehyde having at least one alpha hydrogen undergoes self-condensation. Self-condensation means attachment. When aldehyde, until 2 moles of aldehydes, when aldehyde having at least one alpha hydrogen undergoes self-condensation under dilute alkali media. Dilute alkali media gives aldol, nothing but beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. This is the definition. Reaction. 2 moles of aldehyde. Every time in this reaction, 2 moles, it is not a specified. Okay na? 2 moles of aldehydes. Acetaldehyde, for example, acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH, 1 mole. Another CH3 C double bond OH, aldehyde, 2 moles of aldehyde under dilute alkali media like dilute NaOH, to form a what is the product? Beta hydroxyaldehyde. CH3 CHOH CH2 C double bond OH. This is the functional group, main functional group, aldehyde functional group. Beside carbon is alpha carbon, next carbon is beta carbon. So beta hydroxy aldehyde అన్నమాట. బీటా హైడ్రాక్సీ ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఫార్మేషన్ జరిగింది. బీటా హైడ్రాక్సీ ఆల్డిహైడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో known as aldol. This is the main name of reaction. అసలు what is beta, what is alpha hydrogens, what is alpha carbon? Few examples are there. CH3 C double bond OH. Here this is the main functional group, aldehyde functional group. Aldehyde functional group beside carbon is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon containing hydrogens are known as a alpha hydrogens. Okay, next CH3 hydrogen C double bond OH. This is the aldehyde functional group. This is the alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon containing hydrogen. This is not a alpha, this is a beta. This is beta. Beta carbon containing hydrogens are beta hydrogens. Next, CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 C double bond OH. These are alpha hydrogens. Next, CH3 CH C double bond OH. This is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. Alpha carbon containing hydrogens are alpha hydrogens. Next, CH3 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 C double bond OH. This is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon, this group is known as the tertiary butyl carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons butyl, tertiary butyl carbon. This is a tertiary butyl carbon. In this carbon doesn't having alpha hydrogens, so it is not involved in aldol condensation reaction. Mainly in this aldol condensation reaction, this type of questions are asked in your competitive exam. Question: which of the following does not involved in aldol condensation? Does not involved in aldol condensation. Options: A, CHO, benzene ring CHO, it is the benzaldehyde. B, C double bond O, PH phenyl. C, tertiary butyl, both sides tertiary butyl. D, all. What is the answer? Answer is D, because all these A, B, C 3 are doesn't having alpha hydrogens, so that's why these compounds are not involved in aldol condensation. Next, mechanism. Mechanism is the most important. Mechanism. This mechanism involves in 4 steps. This mechanism involved in 4 steps. Step 1. Formation of a carbene anion. Formation of a carbene anion. Formation of a carbene anion. In this reaction, dilute alkali media NaOH under dissociation to form Na plus OH minus. This OH minus, this reaction 2 moles of aldehydes are involved. Here 1 aldehyde reacts with OH minus reacts with OH minus. This is the aldehyde, reacts with OH minus. Here water is removed, carbon anion formation, CH2 double bond OH. Once again, this aldehyde, this H2 converted into carbon anion. How look like? CH3 C double bond O H. Here this is the alpha carbon, these are alpha hydrogens. This alpha hydrogen and OH minus, this alpha hydrogen and OH minus, H2O removed. This is the H plus, this is OH minus, H2O is removed. This bond transfer into carbon. Here carbon anion is formed, CH2 minus C double bond OH. Step 2, addition of carbon anion. Addition of carbon anion. First step, formation of a carbon anion. Here one aldehyde, one acetaldehyde is used. Next another aldehyde. So this formation of a carbon anion, addition to another aldehyde. CH3 C double bond O H. This is the next aldehyde group. Here this bond converted to this side. Here carbon having partially positive charge, oxygen converted to partial negative charge, that is CH3 CO minus H, carbon having partially positive charge. Here formation of a, already in first step, carbon anion addition takes place. This carbon anion attacked this carbon. Here the main key point is CC bond formation between alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon. CC bond formation between alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon. Here the product is CH3 O minus H, CH2 C double bond OH. Here main important point is CC bond formation between alpha carbon and carbonyl carbon. Next, step 3, addition of water molecule, addition of H2O. Here this product CH3 CHO minus CH2 C double bond OH. Addition of water molecule H plus OH minus. Here is the minus charge, H plus attacking this oxygen to form a CH3 CHOH CH2 C double bond OH. Yes, this is the final product. This is the alpha beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxycarbonyl compound, also known as aldol. Here one final step is there. Step 4, it is not enough. Step 4, elimination of water molecule. Elimination of water molecule, H2O. Here what is the step 3 formation product? Aldol, CH3 CHOH CH2 C double bond OH. This is written for our convenience like this: CH3 CHOH CH C double bond OH. Here this bond form double bond, carbon having 5 bonds, so elimination of OH minus H plus, water molecule is elimination. So final product is CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. So this is the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So aldol condensation reaction is completed. Some few examples. Example number 1, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Actually this is a ketone but having carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen. That's why it is also involved in aldol condensation reaction. In presence of dilute alkali media, that is BaOH taken twice, barium hydroxide, to form a final product. What is this? Here I am not mentioned 2 moles. Every time it is not mentioned. CH3 COH CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. Next example. C double bond O CH3 dilute NaOH. Our final product is OH CH3 CH2 C double bond O benzene. Every time I am written beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. It is a self condensation reaction. Condensation means attachment. Another example. Dilute NaOH. Here this is the carbonyl carbon, this is the alpha carbon. These 2 carbons between bond formation takes place. Here OH is formed, OH is formation. This carbon and this carbon is, this is the final product. Okay, this reaction is completed.